Hello students, today we are going to start our topic number 1, that is Abu Ben Adam. The title of the poem is Abu Ben Adam. This is a poem. The poem, present poem is, it means present poems which we are going to see now, we are going to study now, is meaningful. It means Arthapurna hai. Why it is meaningful? Who is Abu Ben Adam? What is the work of Abu Ben Adam? Abu Ben Adam is a religious person. He always believed सर्विस टू मॅन इज सर्विस टू गॉड. म्हणजे मानव सेवा हीच ईश्वर सेवा आहे असा त्याचा काय होता, ठाम विश्वास होता. असा हा अबू बेन ॲडम आहे. ओके, नाउ लुक, आय विल रीड दिस पोयम. ऑल्सो आय विल एक्सप्लेन दिस द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द lines in the poem. Now look, Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase. Tribe, this is difficult word. The meaning of tribe is the people of same race, same class. And Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase. Why here in the bracket may his tribe increase? The line has written it. You will know in the last part of the poem why the poet James Henry Leigh Hunt has written may his tribe increase. It you will know in the last part of the poem. Okay. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room. One day at night time he was slept and he was seeing dreams, and suddenly he saw moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. And that moonlight was feeling like a lily. Do you know lily is a white color flower, and whatever light he was seeing in his room, it was like lily flower that was looking very better. An angel writing in a book of gold. And now look, his room was full of moonlight, and angel, the meaning of angel is a spirit, a servant of God, was come in the Abu's home or in the Abu's bedroom. And he was doing something. What he was doing? An angel writing in a book of gold. That angel person was writing something in gold, book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? The vision raised its head, and that angel was writing something in book of gold. Surprisingly, the Abu Ben Adam asked, what writest thou? Thou, it means you, you. That is used. Thou was used in Old English. What writest you? The vision raised its head. It means Abu Ben Adam is asking to that angel, what are you writing, angel? Oh, wait. and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered the names of those who love the Lord. When Abu asked to the angel, what are you writing in book of gold? Angel answered, I am writing the names who loves God. Wait. Answered the names of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more slow. Abu asked to angel, what are you writing? Angel replied, the names of people who love to the God. And Abu told, you write my name also in the book, or you see, is there my name? That angel replied, no, your name is not there. Replied angel, but cheerily still, and said, pray thee then and me as one that loves his fellow man. Okay, you not ready to write my name in the list? Okay, no matter, but you write my name in God's fellow man. Fellow means a company person or who live together with other people, other person. Okay, now but cheerily still and said, I pray thee then write me as one that loves his fellow man. Okay, you not ready to write my name in list 1, you write my name in as a fellow man who loves God. The angel wrote and vanished. After the reply of Abu ben Adam, the angel wrote and vanished. He written the name of Abu ben Adam as a person who takes care of people, who work for people, who work for his fellow, and vanished. Vanished means he went away. The next night it came again with a great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed, and lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. And again in the next night that angel came in Abu's home, and that angel showed the list of his book, and in that book Abu's name was in the first rank. Why the Abu ben Adam's name was at the first, at the top? Because when he was asking to the angel, you write my name as a God's lover, angel replied no. Afterwards he said, take my name as who takes care of people. There he angel written his name. That's why in the next time or next day Abu was selected as a first person in the list. It means what work Abu Ben has done here, he always worked for people. He always took care of the people. That's why his name was at the top. And in the beginning of the poem I have told you, may his tribe increase, because Abu Ben Adam's work is great. He was believed that service to man is service to God. That understood like this, this poem is very meaningful. We also always help the needy people, help the poor people. We also we take care of people. We also take care of old people like this. Then we also God will bless. Here poem is over. The poem is very meaningful. Okay, thank you.